Assalamualaikum and good day all. Today I try to give you tutorial 3 on the thrust, force under thrust. Okay, without delay the time, I would like to direct go to the question number 1 of tutorial 3. Yeah, determine force in each member of the truss and the state of the members in tension or compression. Okay, please check first the figure with implement of the many of force here. Okay, we can see the truss have a certain number of joining. Yeah? We can see here from the joining A until to the E. Okay, and then in the certain joining have the connection truss. For example, joining A will join to the joining C with the one truss, and then we can check another one from the joining C will join to the joining D with the one truss a certain angle. So actually, this certain angle, this angle, we can calculate or the angle by the information from the length of the truss, from the joining A, F, and joining A to D. Okay, okay. To answer the question, you can start with the FBD, free body diagram. Okay, as usual, please check first the truss. Okay, the truss is considered as a body, and then we try to draw. Yeah. Okay, try draw back all the. Okay, now find the force that acting on the truss. Yeah. And so here, this one we call FBD. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then just give all the force number here. And what else? We draw the force that acting on the support. Okay, support A and the support E. Okay, as we know, the reaction also have opposite force from the reaction. Okay, for A in the X direction, we can decide whether to the positive or negative, depend on you, but we can find next whether to negative or positive. It's okay, just draw first this one in the Y and then this one in the X direction. Then for support E, only one because using the rolling. So only one direction only, opposite direction. Okay, after that, we try to find what the reaction occur from the action. So we don't know, still unknown, for AX, AY, and EY. So by using formula of moment, or we can sum with the in the X direction and also Y direction, we can find all force acting in the support. Right? So we go first in the moment. Okay, moment in A, some moment in A equal to 0 because in the equilibrium system, so it should be in 0. So what the sigma of moment in A? So A as initial for calculating of moment. It's 1, 3, right? Okay, now we calculate if the position A is 0. So what force acting will refer to point A as the reference point. So now we can get the first one, moment G 1.5, yeah, because this one 3, yeah. This one is the in the clockwise direction. And then the distance is 1.5 here to the point A. And then what else? 4. We have 4 here times 2, distance 2 meter, yeah. 2 meter. And then what else? We have 10 here. Yeah, 10 with the distance 4 meter. And then in the direction of clockwise, we have EY. EY here in direction similar 4 meter. And then finish, so equal to 0. And then we can carry out the unknown EY equal to, based on our calculation here, so we got 13.125 kilonewton. So because the result in positive, it means what we predict EY to the upward direction is correct. Yeah? So then we can go to find the other unknown AX and AY. So maybe we go first in the direction of Y. So we consider the upward is positive. Yeah. So what we have in the sum of the force in the direction Y we can find here. We have 8, we have 4, we have also 10, and also y, ey, and also ay. So just sum all that in the y direction. Yeah. Okay. First, we can write is the ay in positive because upward direction, and then negative 8 here, and then negative 4 here, and then negative 10 here, and the last is positive way is EY. EY, and then finish, yeah? Only that equal to 0. So, because EY already here, just calculate to find the AY only. Okay. How much AY? So, based on our calculation, we find 8.8 75 kilonewton. So, because the result in positive, so should be the direction is correct, yeah, to upward. Now, we find for final, in this case, yeah, for x. This means direction is in x direction. So we consider to the left, to the right side is positive, yeah? To 0. So what we have here in the x direction, first negative x. And what else? 3 here, yeah, positive, 3 kilonewton. What else? Only that, yeah? Only that. Okay, equal to 0. So AX equal to 3. Okay, right. So direction is in left side. Okay. Okay, now we go to how to calculate for every joining in the truss. Yeah, we have here joining A, we have joining F, we have joining E, D, C, B. So every joining have uh, reaction from the action of force that occur in the truss. After finish to find force reaction from the support A and support E, we can find joining in the joining B, what force acting or in the joining B, and then you can go to one by one joining to derive what force acting in the joining. Okay, we go first in the joining B, yeah, because B already find two force acting here, and then only still unknown to force. Okay, okay, draw first. The joining B. Okay, here 8. and then this one is force that acting from the A to the B, and then this one is force thrust of B and C, and this one is 3 kilonewton. And then the unknown still here. Yeah. Okay. We carry out first from the X. Yeah. So you can derive the equation here from the sigma moment, S sigma moment. This one is not sigma moment. This one is the force in the direction in the point B. So from the X direction, we have 3 here, 3 kilonewton, and then negative to FBC. Yeah. Never else, nothing. So FBC is 3, right? 3 kilonewton. Then we go to next is to calculate and the sigma force in the this one is X, sorry, Y. Okay, now we have only F the acting positive X equal to 0. So F will be is 8 kilonewton. Okay. After finish to find in the joining B, now we can go to joining A. Yeah. Okay. Now we can go to carry out the force acting in joining A by draw first the force acting in the joining A. Okay. Now this one take this one in the sorry joining A should be here. Yeah. This one is 3, yeah? 3 kilonewton, right? Right. This one is F, and F with the A, yes, this one C, F acting in the C with the A with the certain angle theta. Okay, theta we can find by formula triangle. Okay, now we calculate in sigma y first. We're acting in the A, right? So you have y, x, and then we have the FCA. FCA actually in the R, B, FCA. Sine theta. Then this one is theta. What else? Finish it. Only that. Okay. Then equal to 0. So Now we can create the FCA is equal to based on our calculation, we find 1.46 kilometer. So that, yeah, we calculate for in the sigma f, sorry, fx yes. So x we have here negative 3, and then also negative FCA cos theta. And then negative to f equal 0. Okay? Now, this one is ready to, okay, 0. Now we can calculate the FCA is equal to 4.17. 17 kilometer. Okay, this one is for joining A. Okay, after finish for joining B and A, now we go to joining C. So we draw the joining that thing in the joining C. Okay, after we draw the force that acting in the joining C, now we can uh, make equation based on the sigma fx on the C. So the first we can write the FBC and then negative CD. And then also positive to FBC cos uh, cos cos theta equal to 0. Okay, from all forces that acting in the C, joining C, so only F FCD, yeah, still unknown. This one. So please carry out CD. So the formula and then this derive. Okay. After that, we try to derive the equation from the Fy on C. So based on the figure, we can derive all equation here. FC, yeah, and -4, and then also positive to FKC sin theta, and then equal to 0. Then we can find the FKC, FC, sorry, FCF, FCS, FCF, sorry, this one is FCF. FC, FF, yes, FC, RCF, yeah, this one. Sorry, this one is C. Oh, no, no, no. This one, correct. It's C. This one, left. C. Okay. Now you can find how to find the force acting in the. Okay, after finish, from the joining C, we can go to joining E. Yeah. Joining E, we have E in the direction Y. There's a force that acting in the F. E, and then also we have the F acting D to E. Okay, okay. As well, we write in the F X E. Okay, from here we can find the formula that acting F F E, yes, equal to nothing here, only 0. So and then we go to sigma F Y E. So we have the Y and before FDE equal to 0. So Y equal to 0. Okay, right. Okay, after finish joining E, we now go to the joining D, the last joining, to find out what the force will be acting in the angle truss, yeah? Because the all thrust already carry out of the force. Now we can draw the joining that acting in the joining D. Okay, now start in the C and D. Now we have in the angle. This one is theta. F D. Okay. Okay. We find out whether force acting in the thrust FFD. Yeah. As well, we start with the uh, sigma y. Yeah. Sigma y. Y in the direction in the joining D direction Y. So the formula uh, FFD, yes, sinus, yeah, sin theta, and then we have FED negative 10, okay, and then equal to 0. Okay, now please carry out the number of FFD. Yeah, for direction sigma F X D, okay, you can yeah, D, negative 2, sorry, this one consider the positive. Yes, okay, FCT, and then FCT of FT uh, plus theta equal to 0. Yes, if the FCD equal to FFD cos theta, consider correct. Yeah, if the calculation is equal, consider your calculation is correct. Okay, for next equation, and you can find out by yourself. You have problem, you can discuss with me anytime in the WhatsApp group or email. You can contact me. It is all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Good day all.